How to set up Norton Security on Windows. Step 1. Open the web browser and visit the official Norton Setup website. Step 2. Click on Sign In, then go to Create an Account tab or stay in the Sign In tab. Step 3. Fill in the required information, enter the password and click Sign In. Step 4. Once you've logged in, enter the product key found on your product card or order confirmation email. Step 5. Once it accepts the product key, scroll down and click Skip. Step 6. When you're ready, click on Agree and Download or click Send a download link if you want to install it on another device. Step 7. Wait for the download to complete, then open the downloaded file. Step 8. Click Install and wait for the installation process to complete. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.